Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Sejal Shinde from second year electrical branch. Me and my teammates Suzuja Shinde, Akshay Sutar, Suraj Suryanshi have been working on this project known as Palindrome using Python. This project have been guided by Rishikesh Deshmukh sir. Further project will be explained by my teammate Rutuja Shinde.
Hello everyone, my name is Rutuja Santosh Shinde from SC branch electrical. In this video we will see how we can write a program to check for palindrome. What exactly a palindrome is? Palindrome is a word or a number or a phrase or other sequence of character which reads the same backward as well as forward, which is nothing but, for example, if we have a string like madam and when we reverse this we get the same, so it shows the same forward or backward, so it's a palindrome. Similarly, if we have a number like 212 and then we reverse it, we are going to have the same number, so it's a palindrome. Okay, now how to write a Python program to check for palindrome? In this we will ask the user to enter a string or can enter the number as a string value, and we will reverse that user input, and then we will see whether that reverse value is equal to original value entered by the user. If it is so, then it means that the value entered by the user is palindrome, else the value entered by the user is not a palindrome. So I am going to use the input function and I am going to specify here a message, enter the value. Now after seeing this message, user will enter whatever the value we want us to check palindrome, and we will store that in a variable s. This input function will read the user input string from and it will return that, and we have the user input in s in string form. Here the user can enter the number or name, but it will be read as string value. Now the next thing we have to do is reverse the user input, and to do that we have a lot of techniques available. But now I am using a method called as slicing. So what I want to do is I want to slice the string. Here I want to slice the entire string. I am not going to specify the starting or ending point, because if we don't specify that, then it will take the entire string. And then I want to specify a step as this one. Now we are using the slicing method. We are not specifying the starting and ending point here, and we don't specify that it will take the entire string. Here this -1 indicates that we want to step backward by 1, so it will reverse the string and it will return that, and we are storing this in the reverse variable. Now the reverse of the user input is stored in this reverse variable. What we can do is, we can check whether the original value entered by the user is equal to reverse of that value. If it is so, then it means that the value entered by the user is a palindrome. So we will do that by using if conditional statement. I will use the print . Yes, it is a palindrome. If the reverse is not equal to the original value entered by the user, then it means the value entered by the user is not a palindrome. Else Now we have written a program here. Let's run it. It is asking me to enter a value. I will enter Malayalam. I will hit the enter button. Yes, it is a palindrome. I will enter again a number as 212. I will hit the enter button. Yes, it is a palindrome. Now I am using my name as it is not a palindrome. No, it's not a palindrome. This is all about our project. Thank you.
We want to thank our college for giving us an opportunity to do the project, and we also thank to our Professor Rishikesh Deshmukh sir to help throughout the project and to make it successful.
Hope you all have enjoyed and appreciated our teamwork, and if you did so, then please give a thumbs up.